and we know our adversaries are watching the Air Force and its leaders. I propose this is because they know how decisive air power is, how effective American airmen are at dominating the skies, and they know, if challenged, American airmen will kick their butt.
TALN is extremely important. In this day and age, we're transitioning. You know, this isn't the war that we fought yesterday, and we're trying to prepare for the war tomorrow. So TALN 2.0 was a one-stop shop for readiness. As we upgrade to the TALN 3.0, we're actually focused on the readiness training events that's based off of Afrigen. So when airmen come here through our course, we're actually checking off 21 readiness training events. So when they go back to their unit, their commander already has items for them taken care of.
It tests their mindset, their capabilities to react under pressure, stress, definitely. You come as individuals, but you all leave as a team. It is crazy in this short amount of time that we have out here. People are bonding so well.
We're here to grow. We're in the business of growing. Our airmen are the most important thing to us, and as we get closer to the summer, hopefully we have a lot of things that we can show the enterprise of what TALN is doing.
You must accelerate change to leave our mark and make the impossible possible.